Now, sew up the elephant's ears. We'll sew the gaps of the ears to either side of the head, on rounds 4 to 6 of the main body, bilateral symmetry. Conceal the yarn tail inside the fabric and finally cut off excess end. One ear is sewn up. Please sew up the other ear to the other side of the head in the same way by yourself, bilateral symmetry. Two ears are sewn up. Then we'll sew the nose on round 8 of the main body, between the eyes. Conceal the yarn tail inside the fabric and finally cut off excess end. The nose is sewn up. Pull out one strand of black yarn and thread it through the needle. We'll embroider the eyebrows on round 6 of the main body, above the eyes, occupying 1 stitch. Then embroider a mouth on round 10 of the main body, on the right side of the nose, occupying 2 stitches. Pull the yarn tail out from the same position. Tie a knot and cut off the excess yarn tails. Hide the yarn end inside the fabric. The elephant is completed.